And welcome to today's video. I know you guys are curious to know what I'm about to say at the end of this video. Trade setup that you should take and you should look out for this week, because this week is going to be massive. Like, this week is going to be really good if you do the right thing, and it can go pretty ugly if you don't do the right thing. So guys, first of all, yeah, we are looking at EUR today. And what I want us to understand about EUR is that EUR is a very straightforward pair. Why did I say that? Is because when you are trading EUR you are trading a currency as reliable as USD and Euro. You know that, okay, price always tends to trend and move easily. Like, price always respects technical analysis when you're trading pairs like EURUSD, GBPUSD, USD USD pairs basically. Yeah, you understand me? So, I'm going to one more time frame. This is a one more time frame, guys. So, on a one more time frame, for the longest of time, guys, I'll be calling EURUSD to the downside. I don't know if you guys have been following me on my YouTube, but I usually post my analysis on my YouTube. I've just been away for some time. But my last analysis of this pair was that, okay, we're going to see this pair tank to parity. And the reason why I said this is because you could say, let me just give you guys a quick view. You could see this movement, this double top neckline, break, retest, consolidation, break in consolidation, proceed to parity. Sorry guys, I just finished eating. I'm not supposed to be doing this video, but because time is going and I love you guys. So market's opening anytime soon. So I need you guys to understand this before the market opens. So now, yes, now that we need to understand that, okay, we broke this consolidation at the neckline. You know, when the market gives us a double top, usually a double top is a something like this. Double top, neckline, break in the neckline, retest the neckline and continue. So when the market continues, that's when we know that, okay, this is when we are supposed to jump into the trade and hit our lot sizes, and I just go and flex and do that and let the market work for us. Now this is the time that we have to do that now, because EURUSD, even after 12 months of consolidation around this neckline here, we are finally seeing a break in the neckline, and I'm excited as you guys. So I'm going to be going to the weekly time frame. So you guys, I love to use trend lines a lot because trend lines are so easy and they make my work so much neat. And should I say, let me use football terms now. They make me look clinical when I'm taking my trades. So yes, we broke this neckline. So we broke out of this consolidation at the neckline. This is the neckline we saw on the monthly time frame. We broke out of it. As you guys can see here, this is the weekly time frame. I can see this bearish movement. Even for the longest of time, we've seen we've seen Euro USD range go down from, like, the moment the market made the fifth touch of this level here. We saw Euro USD tank to the downside. So this is meaning that USD is having so much strength. And the reason why you see Euro USD trade to the downside is because the USD is doing so much well for itself and is pumping. And we now have Donald Trump entering into office tomorrow. You guys know I'm anticipating that will really pump DXY and for EUR to further push to the downside. Reality check, guys. This is my next level target for EUR But in the meantime, I have these minor levels to look at and to be careful so that you know I make sure that I don't lose, and even if it's as little, I take out of the market. So yes. So going into this week, we already know from the trend here that euro is bearish because why the extra is bullish. Now we have a major event like Donald Trump entering market tomorrow. So we know that, okay, that might potentially push the market to the downside. So now let's go to the daily. Sorry guys, I have a cold. Sorry. So now we're on daily time frame, guys, and we can see this sweet bearish movement to the downside. I could have extended my trend line all the way to this to the upside there, but I'm comfortable with it being here. So this is my trend line that is guiding the bearish movement in the market. So I'm aware we've had the first touch, we've had the second touch, we tried to have a third touch, but now we're on a Fibonacci level. Now this is my entry point for ARUSD, and this is the most important part of the video that I want you guys to listen. So on the let's go back to the daily time frame. When we see this market move to the downside, we can see that the market is always making what we call lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Do you understand me? So now let's go to 4 hour time frame. Now, now we can see it clearly. Lower low, see, let's look at it from here. Let's look at it from here. Lower low, lower high, lower low. So we're supposed to come and put in a lower low right about this level, which is 1.0087, or our Fibonacci level, which is going to be 0.1065. That's two take profit levels that I've been able to identify for us now, right? Plus 100% retracement, which will be 1.01814. So these are three take profit levels if this trade goes in accordance to the plan. So let's go to right now. So um when I enter the market, yeah, I like the market to always confirm to me when I should enter and when I should not enter. When I draw my Fibonacci level here, guys, I ready after drawing my swing low, swing high to swing low here, as you guys can see, swing high to swing low here. I draw my Fibonacci level. So market came the one made me enter this trade was that the market came into our Fibonacci level here and gave me this bearish engulfing candlestick close. Now this was a confirmation for me. Even though I think I had a trend line like this or something. I had a trend line like this or something. At that time, because I was following the price as price was moving, I had a trend line like this, something close like this. But I'm not really comfortable having my trend line really close to the candlesticks like this because it usually gives like inaccurate. It makes me enter the market inappropriately. Let me put it that way. So I like to make my trend line look at least something like this, or like this, or like this, something like very not too close to the candlestick. So at that time, I put my trend lines here, and I was looking at the market. But imagine this market gave me this bearish engulfing candlestick confirmation. I entered the market, guys. I took a sell here. I took two sells here, and I put my stop loss above Fibonacci level, which is right about here. So now, I calculated my risk using 10% risk from my account, and I'm trading two. I'm sorry, I'm open to two positions of EUR/USD. I can potentially open another position in the coming week once I see a direction engulfing candlestick close below here too. That will be three positions open on EUR/USD. So you guys too can jump in on this trade. So now, last week we closed. Let me first of all delete this first. Last week we closed. See what happened. We broke out. We gave us the confirmation. We consolidated. I was thinking the market is going to drop. I was in a drawdown for a very long time, but as you guys can see, the market was going up and down. So I was in a drawdown until Friday, and because I already know the market has given me clear direction. I've done my analysis from top to bottom. I have nothing to worry about. So I know what I'm doing, and I know exactly what I want from the market. The market has told me what I need from the market already. So yeah, I just patiently waited for the market to continue moving, and I knew that we're having Trump inauguration on Monday. So yes, that's going to really affect the market, and that can like pump prices to go the right way for USD. So yes, I'm still in this market, but we can look for an entry on Monday or Tuesday or about this level. I usually don't like trading on Mondays. I prefer trading on Tuesdays or Wednesdays. these are my best times to enter the market. Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays. Yeah. So yeah. But I'll just study the market and maybe wait to Tuesday or Wednesday then take a sell here again. Move my stop losses to break even and let the market just bleed in my direction while I add more positions. So this is the sweet thing about swing trading, and that is why I am so much um happy that Trump is inside. Trump is the president now because I get to see the market swing trade a whole lot much better. Do you understand? So let's see how this plays out for ARUSD. If you want me to look at any pair for you guys, just tell me, let me know. I'm focused on ARUSD right now, although my eyes are on AED too. Same thing I did on ARUSD is the same thing I did on AED. But we can see here that AED was one of the pairs that I made so much profit from. As you guys can see, these lines are actually my entry level. Entered here, entered here, entered here, entered here, then I let the market bleed to the downside. So you guys can see that swing trading is so easy and so much convenient. Like you can just relax. But the thing about AUD and why I'm not trading AUD now is because the market has given up so much creeps that the market needs time to rearrange itself and move in the faster direction. So that's why we are seeing this consolidation. I'm not in a rush to take any trade on AUD. I'm patiently looking at the market and I'm anticipating what should happen very soon. Sorry for the noise, guys, for the background noise. I'm so sorry. But let's look at the DXY. Let's look at why I said um, we are going to see a pump on Monday. Now, I was a little bit kind of skeptical because this is a high. This is a high, yeah. If this was going to be a low, which was supposed to be a retest and to move to the upside, this is a high. Sorry, this is a high, guys. This is a higher high. This is a higher low. Sorry, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So I was like, okay, the market is supposed to take off here, but then the market broke below this level here, and I was like, okay, what might happen? Is it that dollar wants to drop or anything? But I know that dollar is not going to drop. I've done my analysis. Even if I go to as far as the 1 week time frame, you guys can see that um I did my DXY analysis. You guys have checked the channel. So you can check the page. Just scroll up. You see my DXY analysis. I don't have to go over it again. So I feel like this time I pump all the way to 114 and you might even see DX because that's the highest DXY I've been. So my CDXY, which is dollar, go as high as this, or even make a new higher high. So let's just anticipate, guys. And let's see what happens. But that is it. Another sweet pair I want you guys to look out for is the GBPUSD. You guys, man, this pair is on fire. Like, thank you for the noise. I'm so sorry for the noise, guys. This pair is on fire. And it's the same thing that we saw the ERUSD. We could see this double top, we saw the break. This is the neckline. So this one we the market even trended above, went back here to make a high. You get me before it's coming back down. So this is the obvious level to look at for GBP USD right now on the monthly time frame. But once we are able to break this level, let's go to 1 day time frame. Which it looks like we are going to break this level, guys, because just look at these market movements from here. Look at the low, look at the high, look at the low. Like we might see a high here before we break it. So that will make it the first touch, second touch, and it will be like a third touch of the trend line before we move. But that might not happen, sir, because from here, from this level here, we could see a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. You can see the market close bearish. So you may actually see the market come up down to this level, which is not much space to grab in the market. But this is the next level target for Euro GBP USD, sorry, and because GBP USD has equally done the same thing that AED USD has done, giving up so much pips to the downside, we might see a consolidation around this level even before we think of either going to the downside or coming back to the upside. You get me? But that is it about that. If you want to look at any pair for you guys, just type it down below.